Hello beautiful people, welcome back to a new video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel and to my returning chat partners. I really appreciate you guys' support. In today's video, I will show you what I eat in a day and also come with me and my family to a summer festival. I hope you guys enjoy. Festival, getting some steps in and just chilling. Go maybe get something to eat and chill out. We about to take a picture over here with the popcorn though. Take a picture maybe with the popcorn. Gotta get down. Come down some more. There you go. Alright. Chicken too. Out of strawberries. What's that bowl over there? What's that?
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
That one's a marshmallow.
Oh, okay, sounds good. Thank you. You too. Alright, y'all, everybody get one so we can taste it and see what it tastes like.
I'm good.
Because it was
They
sitting
could have
out.
made you a fresh one. I don't really care to sit down so much. It's over. That's a lot.
Don't put the whole, just bite it in half. It's hard.
It's hard.
Yeah.
It's sugar on it.
So you gonna have to bite it. You gonna have to bite it, not take the whole thing. There you go.
You know how they make caramel? It's just right before it's caramel. It's just like crystallized sugar.
Oh, okay.
Alright. That's good.
How is it? Don't do that. I'm good. I don't want none. I'm fine.
It took about half of an hour.
I got something in my eye, Mom. Yeah.
Dionne was like a 5-year-old. I wish I'd have got that. Yeah, yeah. She don't want to do it.
sit in the middle?
Huh?
What, you want to sit in the middle? Go ahead.
Oh, this way?
Yeah. Hot.
Beautiful day, feel good outside.
Yes.
Enjoying this fair.
No, we still going. Yeah, I know, right?
Staying over here the whole ride around. Ain't that right, baby?
That's right.
Yep, whole ride. Okay, beautiful people, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed what I eat in a day and also coming with me and my beautiful family tour from my third. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts each and every time I upload and become a chat partner. I'm wishing you all out there peace of mind because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.